My bad bitches. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She thinking she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay?
Right side of my neck. I didn't think
Stock, bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. Like,
they look so cute. Yeah. They look really good. How do they look on camera?
I mean, I really can't see because it's blurry, but what I can see.
You're gonna post this on YouTube?
If I post, I have to go to Target too. So like, you know, Target is always beside of Ulta. Inside Target and Ulta. Here we go. Perfect. Exactly what I was looking for. Okay, what are these though? These are $10.
tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands.
Okay, so I'm back home now, and I'm about to show y'all what I got from Ulta first. It's literally one item, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Ulta first. And I really wanted this mask in there, but they were sold out, so I just ended up just getting this. And I never saw nobody have this, so I was like, it's Hello Kitty, I gotta get it. But it's strawberry oat milk body cleanser, mushrooms. We got Problem Solver sheet mask, Hello Kitty, duh. I told you I was looking for all the Hello Kitty stuff. And then we got the Bye Bye Puff Eyes. Yeah, the Bye Bye Puff Eyes. And then I got these. I've been seeing girls like do like get ready with me's on TikTok and YouTube with these headbands. So I'm gonna use them like when I do skincare or when I do makeup, probably makeup. But yeah, these are so cute. Like, I'll see y'all when I get these nails done. Peace. I get my nails done. Like, look at these. Like, they need to be done. I haven't got my nails done by somebody else in so long because I do nails. And my appointment is at 6. It's currently 5:19. I want to do something like this. I don't want to do the pinky nail like this. Like, this is so cute. I heard come to the door, but it's raining so bad. Like, but yeah, I'll see y'all when I get in. Yeah.
Like, I don't know. I was so stressed and I was tired and my body is sore.
Okay, y'all, I'm done. My nails are cute. I don't know if I can see, but yeah, they're mad cute. Cute. Like, these are the nails I got yesterday. I don't know if I really showed y'all good enough yesterday. Yeah. I'm gonna actually replace these with these because they last me a really long time and I just love them because like they're travel size. So I'm getting those. Yeah, this is all I'm getting on. Like, nothing too crazy. Okay, it might look like a lot's going on my bed, but I promise y'all I'm not. Like, I have it like organized in my head type stuff. But this is the bag that I'm carrying, my favorite bag. I'm about to speed up this process. This is the purse. I really off Amazon. This skirt. This is a cute little tennis skirt. This is hard to buy. It's like a denim kind of like work me type of. So I'm gonna change into this outfit costume outfit, which you can check with her. So at the times when it's got the place. But yeah, I'm just really glad my bakery is. Good morning, y'all. So today is hair appointment day, which is Tuesday. I should have put a little shit on my arms, but this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing like this two-piece set that I got from Amazon. As you can tell, I love Amazon, but yeah, I think this was like $23. It's at 10 and it's kind of like 9:17ish, so we gotta go.
Yeah. I don't hang with rats, that's some new type shit. Get a nigga whacked on the news type shit. Sippin', drinkin', actin' on screw type shit. Just a sad hoe, running through a crew type shit. I got a bad bitch at home, voodoo type shit. Take down making sad yawns by the group type shit. That's some thick shit, I just thought you knew type shit. I just tricked off on just grizzly dudes type shit. Pockets wrapped up, all blue type shit. Bunch of rich niggas, hoes get confused type shit. Atlanta nigga, I feel like Ted Turner type shit.
Okay, y'all, I got my hair done. It's so cute. So cute, y'all. Like, bro, what lace? Okay, let me pick up my cousin, y'all.
I just keep cool with you bitches. A solid nigga, count dog food type shit. Moving through the city with your boo type shit. Ready to suck it up like soup type shit. You going against the guys and you gon' lose.
I'm vlogging.
Shit. Pray to God that knock you out your shoe type shit. Type shit. Turn around, turn away the first time I got new type shit. All of my jeans is say how they come over type shit. Put the whole down with the green and shit.
This is the room. The view.
Supposed to be super, so how the fuck am I have no shit? Bitch give me dog in the face, she gon' have my whole type shit. Type shit. Might put some dollars like glass, whoa, on my main shit. What the fuck y'all talking about bodies for?
Try to make some fucking noise! If I can be sober, I gotta stay high. Take me to a serpent and Canada drop. Running my special like Bunny and Clyde.
Hey everybody. I want a mirror's camera. This is so lit. I'm recording on her camera. I'm not gonna put it in the car. I'm gonna sneak it inside. That's the key. Oh. Wait, Bryce, let's take a picture. Okay. I'm gonna act like I'm going to the car because they said we can't take the camera in, but I'm gonna fake. This me, period. Yeah. When I get in the car, when I come back, I'm gonna act like I don't have the camera. Bye.
Wanna take a picture, baby? Y'all nigga poppin' shit. You know I'm that nigga, baby.